everyone, and welcome back to another LB Tours by Rain Leaves food review. And today, we're going to be doing a food review of this cotton candy blizzard that I got from EQ. It's got a little bit of crunch to it, but yeah, it's got a little crunch to it, but it's not bad. I would probably give that a solid 5 out of 10. I mean, I don't know, what would you guys rate this? It's got that little crunchy taste, so you know what I mean? So I would say this tastes like cotton candy. It's got a little crunch taste to it when you take a bite of it. I think I'll give this, 5 out of 10. Hope you enjoyed, and until next time, bye y'all.